Good morning, third grade, and happy Monday. Today is day 34, and we are going to continue to talk about perimeter. Tomorrow you will have an exit ticket, so be sure you are paying close attention and asking questions to your teachers if you need help. So let's get started. I am going to share with you my screen, and I have created some practice problems that are similar to the practice problems that are in your packet. So you can get out a sheet of paper and you can follow along with me as I solve these problems so that you are ready to go when you answer your practice problems on your packet or on your slides. So let's get started. Question number 1 says the perimeter of the shape is 36 centimeters. That's what we know. The perimeter, and I'm going to write this down. The perimeter, P, equals 36 centimeters. We are looking for the length of the missing side. When we are finding the perimeter, we add all of the sides together. The perimeter is the distance around the outside of the shape. So for example, in this problem, we would say 3 plus 8 plus 10 plus 7 plus 5 plus something equals 36. So to solve this, I need to add all of those together. I know that 3 plus 8 is 11. So 11 plus 10. And then 7 plus 5 I know is 12. So 11 plus 10 plus 12 plus something equals 36. So now if I add those together, if I add 11, 12, and 10, that is 33 plus something equals 36. So 33 plus something equals 36. Do you know what the missing side is? The missing side is 3 centimeters because 36 minus 33 equals 3. And there's your answer. So we added all of the sides together, and then we subtracted the sides that we knew from the perimeter that they gave us to find that missing side, because we know that all sides, when added together, give us the perimeter. Right, looking at question number 2. A rectangle has a perimeter of 26 inches. Now, this problem does not give us a figure as the first problem did, so I need to show my work and I need to draw my own rectangle. So I'm going to draw my rectangle here. It is not a perfect one because I'm drawing with my finger. All right, here's my rectangle, and we know that the perimeter, P, equals 26. Now, one side measures 8 inches. Okay, so we know that the perimeter is 26, and one side, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Let me just clear my drawing. Okay, so let me do this again. Here's my rectangle. And I know that the perimeter equals 26. Okay, one side measures 8 inches, and we're looking for the other 3 sides. So one side is 8 inches. Now, because we just studied geometry, we know the attributes of a rectangle. I know that the opposite sides are equal. So if this top side is equal to 8 inches, we know that the bottom side is going to be 8 inches as well. We do not know what this side or this side are equal to. So let's see if we can figure this out together. We know that the perimeter is this all sides added together. So I know that it's going to be 8 plus 8, because we know those two sides, plus the right side plus the left side. And that is going to equal 26. 8 plus 8 is 16. So 16 plus something equals 26. Then I can do 26 minus 16, and that equals 10. Well, 26 minus 16 does equal 10. Now, I still have these two sides that are missing. So the two sides, the missing sides added together equal 10. And they're going to be the exact same because opposite sides are equal. So the left side and the right side are going to be equal to each other. So 10, if I do 10 divided equally into two equal groups, I get 5. So each of these sides is going to be 5. So my other sides are 8, 5, and 5. And one way to check my work, is to add all of that together again. So if I did 5 plus 5 plus 8 plus 8, do I get 26? And yes, you do. Now, the last one is a square that has a perimeter of 48 feet. So here we go, perimeter equals 48. Again, we just talked about geometry, so let's think about the attributes of a square. Can you tell me anything you know about a square? What is special about a square? They have 4 equal sides. So 4 equal sides. All sides added together are going to equal 48, and all of the sides are the same. They're equal. What operation do you think we could use to help us figure this out? If I know that 48, or the perimeter is 48, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, I can do 48 divided by 4 sides, and I can get my answer for what each side is equal to, because each side is the same. Can you tell me what 48 divided by 4 is? I can make 4 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to put 1 in each until I get to 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I keep doing this until I get to 48. Does anyone know the answer? The answer is 12. 48 divided by 4 is equal to 12. So now what I would need you to do is go and work on your practice problems in your packet for day 34. Don't forget to put your answers on the slide so that your teacher can check your work. And if you need any help, just reach out to us. Good luck, you can do it.